Hello everyone, welcome back to SJS CTET classes and Sridevi JS. So today I came with very important segment of our classes, that is target number system. Okay, so actually in this series I'm going to discuss with you the previous year questions related to number system part by part. Okay, it cannot be included in a one video, so that way I'm giving you part by part video, so that will be convenient to you to go through from the beginning to the end of the video. So please do watch the video without skipping it. Okay. So let us start. So first question, let us see. The sum of all possible values of A for which the 4-digit number 547A is divisible by 3 is. So this question is asked in CTET 2016. Okay. So we know the divisibility test of 3. What is that? So when you add the digits of a number, you should get a number divisible by 3. So here in the place of A, we should get a number. And when you add all the digits, it should be a multiple of 3. Okay, so let us add the digits now. So 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. So you'll be getting 9, 9 plus 7, which is 16. So 16 plus 8 you'll be getting here, right? So we could think of what is the number which we can add with the 16 so that we are getting a multiple of 3. See, after 16, 18 is a multiple of 3, right? So we can add 16 plus 2. So we'll be getting 18, which is a multiple of 3, right? Or else we can add 16 plus 5. We'll be getting 21. 21 is also a multiple of 3. Or else you can add 16 plus 8. We'll be getting 24. 24 is also a multiple of 3. Then you can add 16 plus 11. You will be getting 27. That's also a multiple of 3. But here 2 digits are coming. So we have only the space of 1 digit, right? We want to replace A. So we have only 1 digit should be accommodated. So here what we will be writing, either 2, 4 or 8 is the number when we can replace by A, the number will be divisible by 3. So the possibilities are 2, 5 and 8. But here what is asked? The sum of all possible values. So the possible values are 2, 5 and 8. What is the sum of it? 2 plus 5 plus 8. So we'll be getting the answer as 15. So here the option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. If AB into BA is equal to BCB, where A, B and C represent only one digit such that A not equal to B not equal to C. So then the value of A plus B plus C is. So this question asked in February 2016. Okay. So here we can here assume something, some digits on the place of A, B, C. Right. So let us see. So AB into BA, you have to get a digit like BCB. So let us assume A as 1 and B as 2. Suppose it can be correct or it cannot be. So we will try with other digits otherwise. Okay. So let us take A as 1 and B as 2. So when we substitute, what we will get? In the place of A1, in the place of B2. So 12 into, again, in the place of 2, in the place of B2, in the place of A1. That is 12 into 21 is equal to what? So when we multiply, what we will get? 12 into 21 is 252, right? So we'll be getting 252. Yes, it is coming of the format BCB. B already we have chosen as 2, right? So you are getting BCB, and in the place of C, what digit is coming? 5, right? So our assumption is correct. So in the place of C, we can have the value 5. So we have A as 1, B as 2 and C as 5. So what is our question? What is the value of A plus B plus C? So what is the value of A plus B plus C? 1 plus 2 plus 5. What is the answer? 8. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, this question based on assumption we can. Question number 3. The additive inverse of S we need to find out, where S is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus etc. plus 49 minus 50 is. So this question September 15 it is asked the CTET exam. So let us see. So S is given as 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus etc. plus 49 minus 50. Right? So this is given. So we can split it. right? So positive, I'm going to split positive numbers together and negative numbers together. So here we'll be getting, you can see the odd numbers are positive in sign, right? So we can write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus etc. plus 49, okay, minus, or we can write plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus etc. minus 50, right? Now, so here you know that 1, you can write as it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus etc. up to 49. Then you can write, you can take minus 2 outside because minus 2 is common here. So we can write it as minus 2 of 2 outside taking means what? We are dividing each term by minus 2. That means minus 2 by minus 2 is 1 plus minus 4 by minus 2 is 2. Then minus 6 by minus 2. It will be 3 plus etc. up to minus 50 by minus 2. That is plus 25. Now, so we know that we already learned in the concepts of number system, right? First, sum of the first n odd numbers. So what is the answer for that? That is n square we have learned. So here how many odd numbers are there? We can have 25 odd numbers. So we can write 25 square, n square, that is 25 square. Here from 1 to 49 there are 25 odd numbers. It is 25 square minus 2 into what is the sum of a set of natural numbers up to 25? The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 for finding the sum of first n natural numbers, and the formula for finding the sum of first n odd numbers is n square, and the formula for finding the sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. So this already we discussed. If you want to know more, you can watch the number system videos which I have already uploaded. Okay. So here 2 into, we can write. So here n into n plus 1. So here up to 25. So 25 into n plus 1, that is 26 by 2. So we'll be getting 25 square is 625 minus this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 25 into 26. What value will come? 25 into 26 is slice are 30 and 50. We'll be getting 650. So 625 minus 650 will be getting minus 25. So minus 25 answer we will be getting here. But what is our question? The additive inverse of S. So S value is minus 25 here. What is additive inverse? When you add a number to this number, the answer should be 0. So what number should be added with minus 25 to get 0? That is 25. So the answer is 25. Option 4. Okay. Moving to the next question. The smallest value of y in the number 9y8071 so that it is divisible by 11. See, if a number has to be divisible by 11, I have already said in my video related to test of divisibility, we have to add the odd number places digits, and we have to add the even number of digit places, and then we have to subtract them between, and we have to check the answer. Either the answer can be 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, so here let us go with that. So the odd number, so here the number given is 9 by 8071. So here the odd places are 9, 8 and 7. So when you add that, you will be getting 9 plus 8 plus 7. The answer is 24 you are getting. And the even places you can add y, that are y, 0 and 1. So y plus 0 plus 1. So you'll be getting y plus 1, right? And now we are going to take the difference. So when you take the difference, what you are getting? Difference of the sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers. So 24 minus y plus 1. So 24 minus y plus 1 should be a multiple of 11. So here from 24, what can be immediately subtracted to get a multiple of 11? Actually 22 is a multiple of 11, right? So 24 minus 2 will be 22. So we will be getting a multiple of 11. So In the place of y, if we substitute 1, what we are getting? 24 minus 1 plus 1. So that is 24 minus 2, that is 22. So here we are getting a multiple of 11, right? So in the place of y, what we have given? Y, 1. So the answer for y is 1. So it's the smallest value we can, right? Okay, so moving to the next question. The product of integers between -7 and -3. See, you know the number line, right? So on the right side of the number line, we have the positive values, positive natural numbers, and on the left side, we can have the negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, we can write over that. -4, -5, -6, -7. So here we are asked up to -7. So what are the integers coming in between -3 and -7? They are -4, -5, -6. So what is the product of them? -6 into -5 into -4. So we'll be getting -6 into -5 into -4 is 20. So we'll be getting -120 as the answer. So the option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following statement is correct? See, the first statement, we need to find out the correct one. Okay. So sum of two prime numbers is always a prime number. So if sum of two prime numbers always a prime number, let us take example 2 plus 3. That is 5. This is a prime number. But then 3 plus 7. Both are prime numbers, right? So you're getting 10. Is 10 a prime number? No. So always it is not true, right? It is not prime. So the first statement is wrong. Second one. 1 is the smallest prime number. We are already learned that 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. So that is also wrong. A composite number can be odd. Yes, that is true because the smallest odd composite number is, what is that? I have already discussed with you. 9, right? So 9 is an odd number, but it is a composite number. So this statement is correct. And there is no even prime number. Is that correct? No, we have even prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime number. So this statement is also wrong. So the option 3 is correct. Okay. Next question. If A, B and C are different integers such that A less than B less than C less than 0, then which of the following statement is true? Okay. So with A, B and C, you may not be able to conveniently do it. So let us take 3 integers which are less than 0. In the number line also you can see less than 0 we can take -1, -2, -3 for example. So anyway -3 is less than, -2 is less than, -1 is less than 0. So we know that. So we can take in the place of A as -3, B as -2 and C as -1. So let us check the condition one by one. Option A is A plus C less than B. So A plus C is what? A plus C is equal to -3 plus -1. That is -4, right? So -4, is it less than -2? Yes, that is correct. Actually, the first statement is correct here. Okay. So actually the answer is the first statement. So if we want, we can check the other also. So here the second option, AB less than C. AB means -3 into -2 according to what we have taken. That is 6, right? 6. 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus. So 6 is less than, is it less than -1? No, that is not correct. Okay, so second option is not correct. Third option, A plus B greater than 6. A plus B means -3 plus -2. That is -5. -5 greater than C. -5, is it greater than -1? No, that is also wrong because -1 is greater. Now, AC greater than AB. AC, what is AC? It's A multiplied by C, right? So, -3 into -1. So, that is 3. Then, what is AB? AB means -3 into -2. That is 6. So, here it is telling AB, 3 is greater than 6. Is it correct? No. So, option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So, you can use certain numbers as examples and you can do this kind of questions. Next question. The 100 digit of a 3-digit number is 7 more than the unit digit. The digits of the numbers are revised and the resulting number is subtracted from the original 3-digit number. The unit digit of the final numbers are obtained is. So here this is also done by assumption only. So the 100 digit of 3-digit number. So let us see 111 is a 3-digit number. And here the 100 digit, if I am taking this 100 digit, let us say 100 digit of a 3-digit number is 7 more than unit digit. So here the unit digit is 1, right? So 7 more than unit digit is, you have to add 7 more than unit digit. So unit digit is 1. When you add 7 to that, you will be getting 8. So the number we will obtain after adding it is, in the place of 100 digit, we have to replace by 8. So the number you will be getting is 811, right? Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to reverse it. Reverse the digits means you have to get, when you reverse it, 118 you will be getting, right? And then what it is said, when you take the difference, when you subtract them, you should get a number. So what number we are getting? Let us see. 3 here and here 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we'll be getting 693 as the answer. So in 693, according to the question, what is the unit digit of the final number? So this is the final number. The unit digit is 3. So the answer is 4. Okay. Now, in standard form of the number 8290300000 is expressed as k into 10 raised to n. The value of k plus n is. This question asked in September 2014. See everyone, so when you write a standard form of a number, what you have to do is, whatever number you are getting, that is 8290300000. If you are getting this number, how to express in the standard form is, you have to count the total places of this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there, right? And what you have to do is, it is a positive number like this, put a decimal after the first digit. So 8 point. So total 9 digits are there. So after the decimal point, we'll be getting 8 digits, right? So 8.2903000 will be getting. Then you have to rewrite this number as 8 point. Only number part you write. The extra zeros coming up, that you can avoid in writing. So you just write up to the numerical part. So 8.2903 into 10 to the power 8. So what all the digits or the number of digits which are coming after the decimal place, you can write as the power of 8. Okay. So the standard form is 8.2903 into 10 to the power 8. So here the k expression, that is the expression is k into 10 raised to n. So instead of that, what we got here, 8.2903 into 10 to the power 8, right? So let us see what is in the place of k. 8.2903. What is in the place of n? That is 8, right? So what is the value of k plus n then? K plus n is equal to 8.2903 plus 8. So when you add, we will add the whole number part. Here the decimal part is 0 for 8. Okay. So here we'll be getting answer 8 plus 8 16. 16.2903. So what is the answer? Option 2, 16.2903. Okay. So moving to the next question. The number n is doubled and then y is added to it. Then the result is then divided by 2 and the original number n is subtracted from it. Then the final result. So everyone, this is done by using variables only. It's a concept of algebra. So we can, it's also a part of number system. So we can use random variables for this kind of assumptions. And we can make use of the algebra basic things. See, the number n is double. So let us assume a number is there, which is n. Okay. Doubling means what? We are multiplying it by 2. Okay. So our number becomes 2n now. Then y is added to it. So now our number becomes 2n plus y, right? And the result is then divided by 2. So the result is what? 2n plus y. And when you divide it by 2, and the original number n is subtracted from them. So this is the result now. And we are going to subtract the original number from it. That means n we are going to subtract it. So what is the final result? So in order to find the final result, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM here. So 2 is the LCM. So what you can do? 2n plus, here the denominator of n is what? 1, right? So 2n plus y by 2 minus n by 1. N by 1. How the denominator can be 2? the numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 2 so that these fractions will become like fractions. So this is a basic thing those who are first time doing. So that's why I'm elaborating it. So 2n plus y by 2 minus 2n by 2 will be getting. So now it becomes like fractions. So we can write out of 2n plus y minus 2n. So this 2n positive, 2n and negative will be getting cancelled. So the answer will become y by 2. So option 4 is the correct option. Okay. Now, next question. The product of two whole numbers is 24. The smallest possible sum of these numbers is. So we need to understand that when any two numbers, when we take the product, right? When two whole numbers, when we multiply them, we got 24. So what are the possibilities for getting 24 when we multiply two numbers? Either it can be 1 and 24, or it can be 2 and 12. When you multiply, will be getting, or it can be 3 and 8, or it can be 4 and 6. So these are the possibilities of getting 24 as a product when you multiply two numbers. Then here it is said the smallest possible sum of these numbers. See, these numbers we got no two numbers. So when you add them, which is the smallest sum we are getting? Okay. So let us say what is the smallest sum we are getting here? We can check by adding them. So first case 1 plus 24. Two numbers are 1 and 24. So when you add them, we get 25. Here the two numbers are 2 and 12. 2 plus 12 when you add, you will be getting 14. Here it is 3 plus 8. When you add them, you will be getting 11. Here it is 4 plus 6. When you add, you will be getting 10. So what is the smallest sum? That is 10, right? So smallest possible sum is 10. Okay. Now, so we have a question. If 1957 is subtracted by A, we don't know the digit there, A and 9, we will getting the answer 186, sorry, it is B, 18B and 8, 18B8. Here also the digit is unknown. So we need to find out what is the sum of A and B. See, this is a process of subtraction, right? So actually, subtraction process is what? It's the inverse of addition process when we learn in the smaller classes. So it is the, when we add these two, for example, when you add the, so what are the terms which we know? Actually, the first one is minuend. When in the subtraction process, you should aware of this. First number is minuend. Second number is subtrahend. And the result you are getting is difference. So whenever the checking of addition in the smaller classes we have learned, right? So how to check the addition, checking of addition. The process we have to do is when you add the difference and subtrahend. When you add difference plus subtrahend, we should get minuend. So here simply we can add these two. Here, actually, when you subtract 7 minus 9, it is 18 means, here it is 17 minus 9 is 80. So, here only the digit is available 4. So, normally, here we can assume that after borrowing, 14 is left here. So, A plus B when you add, we should definitely get 14 as the answer. That is, A plus B is equal to 14. This has been done using the principle of checking of addition. Okay. So, I hope today's session is helping you to know the questions which are asked previously in CTET exam. So this is a part 1. So we will do the part 2. Okay. So please stay tuned for that. Please keep revising. Thank you. So everyone, that's all regarding this part, and please keep watching the next part as well. And I'm reminding you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay. So we'll soon see the next video. Thank you.